Hello guys, welcome to the another video of VC Tech channel. In today's video, I will explain you what does pending means on Snapchat. Well, it's not a very big topic. It's just a simple quiet topic. So for this, you have a Snapchat icon. And now second step, get you have to send snap to someone. Like I'm sending snap to user 1. User 1. You can see I've sent it dial snap to user 1, but after some times here pending will be written over here on the snap. Also generally pending means that your internet connection is sometimes poor. To that time here you will see that get pending will be written over here over your snap. And second maybe that is, and if you are sending someone is snap and he or she haven't accepted your request, then also can be pending. And third can be that whom you are sending snap, maybe that one person has blocked you. So these three reasons can be there when pending is written over here on your snap. Hope you find the solution of your video problem. Thank you.